or is it the password that we're going to set on the device? So I'm returning in order, let's get ready. Already had alerted with problems, and that's how easy is to recover the password with payload in amigobot.chat. Well, friends, in this video, if you have lost access to your laptop, don't worry, since in this video I'm going to show how to recover it with a mobile device. That will help you recover the password in case also that the footprint that we normally use. Well, in this video we're going to get it back with payload that we're going to obtain for free. So the only requirement is to enter in this platform, what name is amigobot.chat, that we're going to the screen. I'm going to go chat directly, and we will write the command super user to give you the option of super user to be able to perform this option. So good, we're going to write and it's put in on the screen and send it. By sending, if you are given the goal list, we are setting of available commands, and we are going to use the last unlock password. I chose one, so we will to screen directly. And well, intelligence use following: connect the device on the USB port for automatic detection. And once connected, write the command launch. So good, let's get it. Directly from the laptop on the device, and we're going to connect it. So we're going to do the practices, and we're good. So good, I have already, and nothing is going to come okay. That is the only thing that will happen is that this device is charged because obviously we cannot access other functions. So good, once we got loaded that list, we're going to hit in your unlock. The command unlock, it has in lowercase, okay? And we have to unlock and properly that the information processed from the this artificial intelligence finish processing the operation and tell you that in 100 seconds it will be ready. So in a few moments we're back, guys, okay? And well, friends, as we are seeing here on the screen, the verification was carried out. His is ready, and it needs already to load the payload. So in order to perform the operation, so the first thing he did was to use a file that, as we're looking at, what the one recovered from the laptop, and basically this file was past the payload we are going to download, and that it will be given to screen. He will have the payload with the password, so let's put it. And well, here is basically the password that we needed to put in the laptop with the sake of inputs. Here basically comes the password. Okay, so basically comes the information that we need to enter to the laptop and the later in the password that we are going to set on the device. So I'm ready to turn on, so let's put it on, ready and ready. Have loaded us with problems, and that how easy is to record the password with payload and amigobot.chat. So here is in the tutorial.